Okay, so this is going to be my first attempt at doing a full detail to my 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the Army Green. This is just a walk around before I start washing. So for the wash, I'm using a 2-bucket method. Prior to that, I'm using Chemical Guys suds. That's the foam gun I'm using. Ooh, here's a little slow-mo action for you. Alright, and here's the 2-bucket method that I'm using. I also am going to put in the description all of the products I used, as well as tools. Here's, I'm using Mother's Clay Bar. That was a Bear Claw, Chemical Guys Bear Claw wash rag. And I also had a microfiber bug scrub. So it was getting warm, so I brought it in the garage, and here you can see me starting to polish. I'm using Chemical Guys Hex pads, the white one, because it's not the the car is really new, and it's for minor scratches and swirls. And I'm using the BAUER 5.7 amp polisher that I got from Harbor Freight. That's a Pittsburgh roller seat. Also got that from Harbor Freight. And that is the Chemical Guys VSS all-in-one, one-step scratch and swirl polish remover. This is a nice video. You can see the shine there. Here's another angle. Working my way around the truck. And the biggest thing is you just gotta take your time. I try to do 2x2 sections and really letting the polisher do the work. Ideally, if I could have gotten a smaller pad, like a 3-inch pad, I could have really did a better job around there with the front, but I'm using a 5-inch backing pad with foam, 5-inch foam pad. You definitely want to use plenty of microfiber towels here. I'm working my way around the back. This is VRP Chemical Guys tire dressing. This stuff is amazing. And I just wanted to make sure that it dried before I finished, so that's why I put it on. I use the Chemical Guys foam applicator pad. Once I finished, here's a McGuire's Quick Wax. Ideally I would have used a Carnauba, but I didn't have time. This is for all the plastic trim. I use that. And I also use Outlast by Armor All, as well as, so this is the Outlast that I use on the vehicle, and then Armor All's glass cleaner as well. And here's a walk around of how it looks. Love the front grille. Big old TRD Pro skid plate. And after the walk around, I had some still shots for you. Overall, I'm very happy with how it came out. And you know, I probably will do this maybe every 6 to 8 months, but definitely at least once a year. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave it with some still shots.